Hey everyone, this is Sophie Smith. Hope you all are doing well. So, in today's video, I will be discussing the topic how to get your ex back with law of attraction in 5 steps. So, if you are interested in the video, please watch the video till the end, and if you like the video related to numerology magic, I would like to request you all please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give a thumbs up so that I come up with more and more videos and with lots and lots of information. So quickly get started with the video. Wondering if you get your ex back by law of attraction? The answer is yes. Even though you may not always be aware of it, you constantly manifesting your reality. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. Like the gravity, the law of gravity, the law of attraction is the law of universe that is always in action. Without exception, you will always attract in your life whatever you give your energy, focus, and attention to. Of course, this law apply to romantic relationships. So there are 5 steps in which you can learn how to get your ex back with the help of law of attraction. So step 1 is to clarify why you want to get your ex back. So the first step to manifesting your ex using the law of attraction is to clarify why you want it. Your thoughts and beliefs are like magnet, and according to the like attracts like principle, you will attract experiences that match it. So you need to be absolute clarity over what you want to manifest it. Grab a journal and write down your ex name and why you want to get back together. That's the why here is important. It will dictate whether you will attract positive or negative experiences. If the reason you want to get your ex back is backed by negative energy like loneliness and desperation, then you will attract more of negative outcomes. Instead, you want to be the reason you want your ex back is backed by the positive intentions like happiness and joy, so you can attract a loving relationship. So, the second step now is to visualize as if you are back together with your ex. Your energy creates reality. Therefore, it's important to remember that it's your feeling that creates when it comes to manifestation. Out of all manifestation techniques available, the best way to get into the feeling of reuniting with your boyfriend or your ex-girlfriend is through visualization. For this exercise, you go somewhere quiet where you can be alone with no disturbance. Take deep breath and picture in your head how you feel when you finally back with your ex. Visualize your ex face, names, personality and good memories. Anything that will help you get into your feeling of being with him or her again. Once you have a strong mental picture of your ex, you should shift your focus to the feeling this brings you. You will want to focus on high vibe feelings such as happiness, joy, and love. Step 3 is to witness your limiting beliefs. So, the third step is to witness all the limiting beliefs that are negative beliefs that constrain your life. Limiting beliefs block your law of attraction power because they drag you down towards negative energy. And when you are in state of negativity, you will attract a negative outcomes. Some common limiting beliefs when you are trying to manifest a lover are I am terrible at relationships, I am going to be alone forever, I'll never find true love, he or she does not love me, he or she does not want to talk to me, he or she does not want anything to do with me, he or she moved on to someone else. So, only thing that is common in all those limiting beliefs is that they are false. These beliefs only exist in your mind as a result of your past experiences to protect yourself from the pain in future. Step 4 is to use affirmations for love. Affirmations are the positive phrases or statements used to challenge negative thoughts. Use affirmations to gently replace your negative thoughts with high vibe energy. Recite your affirmations while maintaining the energy you cultivated in step 2. To get started, choose the following affirmations that resonate with you and use whenever you need to combat negative thoughts. I am lovable and worthy of receiving love. I am attracting love and romance into my life and I accept it now. I trust the universe will find me my perfect match. I draw love and romance into my life with ease. Every experience I have is bringing me closer to the soulmate. So you can try all these affirmations which I told. You can also create your own affirmations which are more powerful and do use it. Step 5 is to let the universe do its thing. Yes, the very final step, it's let it universe do its thing. Many people mess up at this stage because they are not willing to let go of their desired outcome. This lead to negative emotions like fear, which throws you out of alignment with the universe. The biggest reason or the lesson here is to be patient and simply trust that universe has your back. Even though your ex may not manifest as quickly as you have hoped or in the way you expect, trust the universe's plans always exceed yours and will lead you to the highest good. Keep using these 5 steps to maintain your energy in high vibration. You are bound to attracting love experiences that match your energy. So, I guess I have given you the 5 powerful steps which actually worked for many of my clients and hope these work for you too. So if you have any sort of questions, then you can always mail me or you can contact me through any of the portals such as Facebook, Instagram, or you can comment down your problems, or even if you have your own powerful affirmations or anything, your criteria of manifesting to get your ex back, then do share so that others can benefit from it. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from it, and they can also speed up their manifestation process. So I guess that I have given you all the information. And if you have any sort of problems in your negative thoughts, or if you are having any blockages, then do check it out, link in the description box. It will actually help you in getting rid of these negative thoughts and will help you manifest faster. So I guess that's all for today's video. Hope you like it and hope you all are doing well. So we will definitely going to meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Tada, bye bye.